What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video of our camping trailer build. So a lot of the guys been asking what's going on, why isn't there no content of this trailer? Well guys, in this video I'll explain a lot, I'll show you some things. I really wanted to pull it outside at the moment, but it just started raining for some reason. And we also have to lift this tent up and put it in the roof. So for that, I'll have to make something and put it on. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I managed to pull it out. And it's still raining a little bit, but that's fine. So we have a temporary jockey wheel on this, just to make my life a little bit easier. So last time we saw it, didn't look like this. So I've added on some struts here, struts there, and some beams around. I'm planning this out. This side will be where the tent opens up, and this will be a room basically. In the back I still have a lot to do, but the lights will be on the top. Okay, so let's see what it looks like when we open this up. Okay guys, let me explain what's happening here. So first off, the tent is not fixed to the trailer yet. So when I opened it up, it did move a little bit, but I did try and move it back. I also misjudged myself a little bit to hide there, but that's okay, it's not an issue. So we have a window here. You see this is where the main bed is. We've got a window here with a weather flap, and we have a window on this side. We have a door that's on the back side of the trailer. We have this very nice, I must say, I didn't even know this was part of it, very nice little awning. Also another entrance to this, but I think this is more like just nice to have for fresh air. And then this entrance, which I think will never be used because of two things. The awning that I'm planning for the trailer is going to open up all the way to the back side, and this yeah, this ladder is in the way, and I just think this is never going to be used. This is also very nice, since I'm planning for this to be storage space for clothes, etc. And also right there, this can still go down more. Here I'm thinking now that I might be able to do a door here for another storage space, which is also pretty nice. If not, then we can just close this up, and it has this little pockets here, which is very handy as well. Moving up the ladder, gets a bit dark in here. Let me go get a light quickly. Okay, there we go, we've got a light. So this is the main bed. It's quite large. I must be honest, I think this could be just a bit smaller than a queen size bed. I'm happy with that. It works fine for me. And then yeah, it's just the structure. We've got a little inner ceiling for atmosphere, which is pretty nice, which you can always change up later. You've got your 3 windows, that's pretty nice. And then the plan is that this will also cater for another bed to be placed here for my daughter probably. So overall, pretty nice concept. Okay, so while the tent is pitched, let me explain this side of the trailer. So coming over front, we'll have a nose cone right here. It's not there yet. We will have an awning that will be able to raise up and go over our heads. This will be the door for the fridge slider and also the gas stove, which will all be one component and sliding out. Then here we will have an enclosed cabinet for that will be over here. We will have an enclosed cabinet, and this will basically fall down, have a nice workspace, and then also be able to store some of our cutlery and stuff. This will be enclosed panel, nothing will be here. Inside here we will have electronic jacks, which will be coming up in the video soon. Over here, taillights. We'll have a drawer system for our little table, and then also we'll have this boot space that you can just use to store some camping chairs or whatever you want to take with. Probably do a crate drawer system for your foods, etc. So guys, I still have a lot of work on this trailer left. It's not going to be very quick to do. We're going to be cladding it, also using ISO panels, etc. I'm thinking of using ISO panels as the doors even. I now wanted to do carbon fiber or fiberglass, but plans have changed a little bit. So yeah, just wanted to show you exactly what's going on here. So now next step will be to make the thing that's going to hoist the tent up to my roof so I can finish welding this off. It needs a ton of welding, and that's basically it on this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little catch-up session. I'll promise to put up more videos. The VTR is done, so I've got no more videos on that. Actually, I have one thing I have to show you guys. Hold on. So as you guys can see there, I've got another toy now. This is a 2009 Aprilia 650 Pegaso Trail version, and it's a phenomenal bike. I must say, pretty decent for commuting every day. Goes wherever you want it, a lot of fuel. So let me give you some shots on that. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the update. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did and you'd like to see more, please remember to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you guys for watching. Keep safe. Cheers.